The 1E error code in a washing machine indicates an issue with the water supply, specifically that the machine is not receiving an adequate amount of water. This error can be caused by various issues, including problems with the water supply and system, such as issues with the hoses and water filters. When the 1E error appears, the washing machine will not function until the issue is resolved. Common causes of this error include a water supply that is not fully turned on, kinked or damaged supply hoses, and blocked water filters. To fix the 1E error, the first step is to check the water supply and ensure that the cold and hot water taps are fully open. It is also essential to inspect the hoses for any damage, kinks, or blockages, and to repair or replace them as needed. Additionally, cleaning and unclogging the water filters and hoses can help to resolve the issue. By taking these steps, the 1E error code should be resolved, and the washing machine should function properly again.